Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to set a GIF background in Google Chrome. So first of all, open up the Google Chrome. Now you need to click on the three dots at the top right corner, go to the help here at the bottom and click on the first option about Google Chrome and make sure that your Google Chrome is updated. Now you can see the default background of the Google Chrome right here. Okay, you may have an image or something else, but this is the default background. Now in the bottom hand right corner you can see there is an option customize Chrome here, or you may just see a pen icon just like this one. Okay, now open up a tab and go to the Google Images website, images.google.com. Now in order to set a GIF you need to first get a GIF. Okay, so I'm going to search for a Matrix GIF here. Matrix, you must have seen the movie here. Okay, now go to the tools here, go to the type here, then click on GIF at the bottom. Now you need to select any one of them, so I'm going to select here this one, GIF. Okay, now simply right click on the image here and click on save image as. Now select a location, so I'm selecting desktop here. Simply name the file, so I'm naming it as Matrix. Now after naming the file, the one thing that you need to do is simply add .png. Okay, this is very necessary, you need to add .png. Okay, then click on save here. Now again go to this section here and you need to click on customize Chrome here. Simply click it, then click on the background from the left hand side options, then you will see upload from device. Click on upload from device here and choose your file, which is Matrix. Okay, that I just saved. Click on open here. And now you can see I have just set a GIF background on Google Chrome. So this is how you can easily do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.